So this is where our goal was, and we already know what the quotient is going to be. The answer is going to be 224. But this time we're going to try to solve it with an area model and a number bond. So for an area model, we remember the area equals length times width. So if we were to do a model of this one, we should be showing that if the area is 1,344, that's going to equal the length times the width. So let's say we know that this is 6 units long, but we don't know what the width is. So this whole thing from here all the way over to here, we don't know what it is. So we can divide to try to find this. All right, so what we can do is we can try to break this apart and think of it in a different way. Remember before that I said that our key was going to be thinking of times 10 times 100 times 1,000. If we're going to do 6 times something to get close to 1,344, the first thing I'm going to think of is this just as 1344. That's helpful for me because if I were to say 6 times, well, we said 6 times 1,000, that would be 6,000. That would be too big. What if I did 6 times 100? Okay, so if I'm doing length times width, 6 times 100 is going to be 600. Okay, that is less than 1,344. That's good. So I'm going to say from here to here, let's say about here, is an area of 600 here. If I did that, I wonder if I could do it again. Could I do another 6 times 100? I know my doubles pretty well, so I know automatically that if I do another 100 here, that would be 600, 600. This would be 1,200, 1,200. And that's less than 1,344. That's good. So then I need to figure out what is this last little part going to be in here. So I have 600 in here as the area, 600 in here as the area, but I don't know this extra one off the top of my head. So let me think. I have 600 plus 600, so this is 1,200 already, 1,200. But I know we have 1,344, so let me just see how much is left for over here. So 4 minus 0, 4 tens minus 0 tens, 3 hundreds minus 2 tens. So I have 144 left over. But I can't do 6 times 100 for that. That's harder. So I'm going to try to use that key in 6 times 10. Okay, 6 times 10. That one I know is 60. Okay, so then let me take away 60 and see how many are left. 4 tens, 4 ones, 14 tens minus 6 tens would be 8 tens. Then we have 84. Well, I can do another 60, so I can do another 10 here. So now I had 84 left, and then I just used another 60. So now I have, let me think, 24. And then I remember before that I could do 6 times 4 to get 24.